You gonna make something happen here, Nick? You gonna cut the wood? Ooh, the drill press is going. Full steam ahead today, Nick.
Yeah.
Yep. What are you making?
Birdhouse.
You're making a birdhouse again.
Birdhouse.
Don't forget the wood.
Thank you. Bye, Mommy. Bye, Mommy.
Bye, sweetie. Have a good day at work.
I'm going to get my lunch.
Yeah, don't forget your lunch.
I'm going to get a sandwich.
Yeah, that's right.
What kind of sandwich do you have for lunch today, Nick?
I have lunch ready.
Yeah, but what kind of sandwich do you got for lunch? You got turkey sandwich?
Chicken sandwich.
Whoa. Whoa, you gotta practice safety first, Nick. And cut your paws off. I think you're overloading the equipment. Wow. Oh boy. Oh boy. There you go.
Take this mailbox, Daddy.
Well, you're building a mailbox?
Mailbox.
Oh goodness.
Mailbox.
That's pretty ambitious of you. You get some letters for your mailbox there? It's a pretty strong smell, Nick. You have to maybe take 15 minutes for a coffee break. Maybe go to the can. Nice cut. Nick,
What?
is there something in your diaper?
Poop.
You got poop in there? Did you poop in your pants?
Gross.
I'd say.
I did poop, Mommy.
Did you?
I pooped.
Okay, well, go get Daddy.